Hello, I'm Jason Prather with Bit of Armament YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing some maintenance on my dive gear. So the plan was originally to be replacing internals on this diaphragm first stage. However, all of my diaphragm pieces are bad and we're just going to swap it out. We're going to downgrade this set from this 400 piston first stage down to this 350 plus first stage, and this 400 is going to go on a pretty set of regulators. I like that 400 better than any of the other sets I have, so that's going to become my new primary. Alright, we're going to begin by breaking down this set. Alright, we're going to begin by breaking down this set. Trying to be a little gentle here because the set's been put together for about 15-20 years. Just going to give it a little wiggles. So we're going to be replacing O-rings before we reassemble. We have to put this on a tank. I find it's easier to do on a tank, but harder to video. Alright, so there's all the pretty stuff. And here's the old dead diaphragm 500. Alright, so there is the 400 we're going to rebuild real quick. I know there's the right tool for this job, but this is the one I've been using for 40 years, so that's the one we're going to stick with. Ooh, gunk in there. Clean that up. Oh, still managed to grab the wrong ones. So I haven't done this trick in forever. Back when I used to do this frequently, I would have the seat out before I took any hoses off. So it's kind of a cool trick, so I'll bring it down here a little bit. And there goes the seat. Alright. Spanner. Alright. There we go, got a little rock out of it. And there's the high pressure side. Push those pins down to get this collar out. Kind of make sure those pins float nice and free before we take them out. Everything's pretty good in there. Spring. Okay, top end looks pretty decent. Find the right T-handle. Should go up there, keep all these spare parts over here so they're out of my way. Size plug. Alright, there comes the piston. And there goes the swivel. Alright. Get out the handy dandy pick and start doing some O-rings. One. It's gotta be that one. Alright, discard's up there. Seems like it's been a pretty good fit. silicone. Alright, tub of silicone time. Leo. Looks about like you. Let's see. Oh, you're actually a little big. That looks like you. Dab of silicone. Roll you over. You down. Let's put you back in. Just double check there wasn't a O-ring on that. Snug. Swivel's nice. Still stiff. Alright. Get that discard back over there. Put you down. About like a U. You're actually a hair big. You're hair big too. You look a lot better. Silicone going on there. Buffing the excess. Nice tight fit. Alright. We'll tighten. Not much, just enough. Those slide nice. All right, now we got to get a high pressure seat. Actually, there's no ring on there. Do real quick. We actually put that down. Ooh, that hurt. All right. Start with you. Nope. Our towel. Sure, a good fit. Not the right high pressure seat. Should be the only high pressure seats I have out here. There you go. Alright, not sure how much of that I lost, but we'll just keep carrying on because I got other stuff I got to get done today. Because that's a wonderful setup. I really love those pistons, or those diaphragm first stages. It had an off size for the primary. Guess I just don't think about us people that run the same thing forever. So I gotta put my Guardian hose back on my Guardian. And I won't have any more neon green on my primary because you can't find these vinyl hose protectors anymore. Oh man. Well, I think I missed quite a bit. But the important part is well, it was a hot day, and I guess my SD card was probably full too, and I missed most of the rebuild of this one and the 350. But I got it together. I got the low pressure. I got the intermediate pressure set almost exactly on the first try. It's a beautiful thing. It's great when you're working with technology that actually wants to work. I found some more hose protectors, so I'm going to try to outfit the Guardian hose with its own green, but that'll be a later video. So I just went ahead and posted it just because maybe some of it will be helpful. Who knows? If you have any questions about these old ProSubs, I love them. I know some people hate them, but if you have any questions, just hit me up and I'll see what I can help you out with.